He is saying
See, our
that he
first,
had to leave. Well, let me just start. He is saying he had to leave because he was asked to do so from the venue.
no, the problem is that he was slated to speak at 12 o'clock in the noon. So people had started gathering from 10 a.m. And he came there to at 8 o'clock in the night to speak to the people late in the evening, which means the people had to made to stand in the scorching sun without water, without food, and in that rush. What will happen? That is the question. Why he did not come at 12 o'clock to speak to the gathering? That was the reason for this accident. When people don't have water, they don't have food, they are standing in the scorching sun, they will naturally faint and fall. He
Okay.
forget about that. He should have come by 12 o'clock because it was told that he should be there at 12 o'clock.